Hey folks, I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today, we've done something a little special. We've pulled up all of the Winnebago Micro Minnies up into one area here in the lot, and we're gonna buzz through all the floor plans here that we have available. Why do you want to buy a Micro Minnie? Maybe it's because we have a solar panel built into every single one with a charge controller. Maybe it's the roof mount AC that's also stock. Maybe it's the roof ladder built in, so you have nice, easy access to get up on your seals and check your roof every 90 days. Maybe it's the TORFLEX DEXTER suspension. Maybe it's the 15-inch mudder tires. Maybe it's the front power jack. Maybe it's the aluminum framing around the whole trailer. Maybe it's the AZDEL interior walls on the back of your fiberglass. Maybe it's the molded front fiberglass cap. Maybe it's the 12-volt tank heaters that are built in stock to every Micro Minnie. For whatever reason you want to buy a Micro Minnie, let's buzz through those floor plans now. Let's go. Right on, folks, we're down on the ground here. We're going to take a spin through all the Winnebago floor plans. Before we do, I want to introduce my cameraman, Brandon Hannemeyer.
Hey everyone, I'm happy to be back down on the ground, and we would appreciate it if you like and subscribe. We're going to enjoy this video.
Brandon does not love heights, but he did a great job there. Come on in, Brandon. I'm supposed to let you in first, buddy, but this is the 1800 BH Winnebago. So the BH means we have a bunkhouse. There at the back we have a washroom, of course, a larger fridge, and then here at the front we have our sideways queen. Let's have a look at the 1700, which is similar, but with a couple different, you know, it's a foot smaller, of course. We have a smaller fridge. But while we walk by the side of this 1800, notice that the bunk models here on these Winnebagos have this nice bike door, so we can fold this up, bring our bikes in, or some larger storage items. You have a look at this 1700 BH, Brendan. Let me know what you think, buddy.
Double axle to single axle.
Fantastic.
Very similar, otherwise on the inside. One that's covered there on the right. Bunks look the same. Bathroom looks the same. No. There we go.
Fantastic. Let's move on here. Next on the list is the 1808 FBS. This is a couples model, front queen, rear entrance. We have a side slide in this guy too, giving us a little bit of floor space. Okay. The dinette on this one is out in the slide, which we've got right here. Then we have our rear bathroom with a great amount of storage as we walk in the unit itself. Okay. You got the kitchen there too, Brandon? Yeah. Awesome, awesome. Keeping her going. I didn't mention on the roof that all these guys have a convection microwave built in too. Great. And as we're walking by the outside, good pass-through storage. Next on the list is the 1708, which is very similar, but with no slide. Okay? It's nice to see a 17-foot trailer like the 1708 with a dual axles. It's going to tow exceptionally well.
So we flip the kitchen and the dinette. We don't have the slide.
Our washroom with that same kind of storage here at the back. It makes a lot of sense to have storage as we walk into the unit, and our TV's right above there. Awesome, awesome. Now the rest of these are facing the opposite way. These are the bigger ones. So first on the bigger models is the 2306 BHS. Again, double axle, electric awning. We have a Murphy bed on this one as you walk in. Booth dinette, kitchen over there on your left, larger fridge, bunks on your right. And then if you're curious how this Murphy bed goes, this goes up. Grab this guy right here. Easy peasy, full-size bed in through there. The 2100 BH is next. Coming into the 2100, we're still dual axle. We still got nice pass-through storage. Have a look, Brendan.
Sideways bed.
I guess that's where they're saving the leg, Brendan. They've kind of put the bed sideways here. that's going to cut down a couple feet off the overall length of the trailer.
Yeah.
Right on. Okay. Very cool.
They're also nice and bright.
Yes, yeah. Very bright, nice light woods. They use every square inch of storage, which is one thing I always talk about. This 2108 is what we're finishing off here on. It's a 2108 DS. Have a look inside. Now they kind of build this a couple different ways. This is called the 2108 DS, which is very similar. These are always the same here at the back, but this could be a tri-glide sofa, so we can swap out this dinette for a couch that pulls out all the way. It makes for a very nice comfy couch or comfy bed to sleep on, but it does kind of block things off. So some people like the dinette, some people like the couch. And then you got the whole washroom right there at the back. So this being the 2108 DS, there is a 2108 FBS, which is the same thing, but this is not a Murphy bed, it's a fixed queen bed. And then they have a 2108 TB, which stands for twin bed. So instead of the Murphy bed here at the front, they have a single bed on either side, which you can convert into a big long king bed. The one model we're missing is the 2225 RL, which I'm super excited about. Haven't seen that one yet in person, but maybe Christy put that floor plan right there so the people can see what that looks like there. We haven't got one of those yet, but we're excited to see that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share that with your friends. You can email us here at sales@layzeeacres.com, or you can call us at 705-833-2539. Have a good day.